Class party time. It is time to shop, but have you made a list? Will you have thought of everything that you need for the party? It actually takes a fair bit of planning to make a party happen. Let's use Excel to get a plan happening. To get started, make an items column and make sure you have everything in it. As you add the items, make sure you have a description column. Once you have your description so that you can remember everything, add a price column and the quantity column. Notice that the total is the quantity times the price. Once your totals are correct, highlight the whole column. Notice the extra cell at the bottom. On the top left of the ribbon, find the Auto Sum function. Now highlight the total. Now it is time to show how clever you are. Can you make a pie chart and check just how much you have spent on each item? Don't forget on assessing your decision-making process. Save every change you make and explain it thoroughly, and this will let me see your thinking. Good luck, I think you deserve a party.